Hey guys, welcome back. So let's create a controller to store groups and the groups member. For that, PHP addition make controller message group controller. This will be resource controller. So here we go, and here we write our logic to store the groups and group members. So for that, let's verify our form once again. So here we are sending the name of the group and then the multiple user IDs of the members, right? So here first of all, let's save the group. For that, let's verify, let's make a variable data, and then data name equals to request name, and then data user ID would be the auth ID. So this user ID is the ID of group creator, right? So we have defined them here. So this user ID means the creator of the group. So first of all, so let's create message group create data, right? So if message group is created successfully, then let's check the group members. If set request user ID, what we have sent here, user ID, the multiple user ID, right? So if is set request user ID and not empty, then for each so let's define member data here. Member data user ID equals to user ID member data message group ID message group ID, and then member data status equals to 0 for now. And then let's member data. So what we have done is, first of all, we created our group. If the group is successfully created, then we just check the user ID which are sent from here, from the form, and then multiple user ID would be available here. So we did for each here, and then for every user we are going to save them to the message group member table, right? So message group member create member data, and then we'll return back. Once this all successfully done, then we'll return return back. So actually you can do a lot of validation here. You can make this code more readable, more maintainable, or more usable. So for now I'm just focusing on the chat feature, so but you can make this code better, right? So let's go back to the view file, and then action, the form action would be post, and method would be post, and then action would be route group members dot message group groups dot store. So we have 8 to make this route. So let's go to the routes web.php file, and then here we can add route resource message groups, message group controller, and let's make this button, this should be submit. So let's check it out. Here we go. The group name will be first group, and the members, couple of members here. Page expired. So we have missed to add token here, sysrf token. So let's add that. Sysrf failed, right? So let's try again. Test, and then couple of members here. So let's check here. Yeah, so our groups is added, and you can send the respective message from here, and you can do better, of course, but I'm just focusing the chat features for now. So for that, our groups is added, and let's check the group message group members as well. Groups added, and the members are added as well. So we need to display them here, just below here, just like the users, right? So for that, let's go to the message controller, and groups goes to message group get groups, and now we can display them here, right? Just like this. I would like to just copy this, and for each, and if and close UL as well. So here the variable would be groups, this will be groups as well, and this should be group. For now I'm skipping this, I can add them later, right? No problem. And here we display the name of the group. So here is our groups, and let's add couple of them. So another group here. So we need to link this menu to the respective pages, right? So we need to make a group detail page. So here href, so we have route message groups dot show message groups dot show, and we'll send group ID as well. So here we have, so here we have the method. So let's test this. So here you go. So let's go to this method, and we need to update this. So we can copy some of the methods from here. We might need all of them. So we need users, and then we don't need friend info here. So we need groups, and we need the selected groups. Current group will be message group, where with so with message group members dot user. So message group is related with message group members. So message group has many message group members, and message group members belongs to user, right? We have already defined the respective relationships, and we need the first record only. First, right? Also let's define current members. Probably we don't need that for now. And then so users, and we don't need here. My info groups, and then this return. So we need to create a view message groups dot index. So let's create this view here. We go to the resources folder and then go to the views. Let's create a folder here. New directory.